Aida, for my kids sharing a room? My name's Tasha. I'm an elementary school teacher, and I have two amazing kids, 7-year-old Malik and 9-year-old Alia. My husband, Deshaun, and I are getting divorced, and I have primary custody. We had a 3-bed, 2-bath house, but it was his before we married. So, we had to leave. The cost of living here is insane, and I couldn't find anything affordable nearby. Luckily, my friend Jasmine invited us to stay with her. She has 3 kids, a massive house, and offered to give us the master bedroom. It's huge, 350 square feet, giant closet, massive bathroom. Malik, Alia, and I now share that space. The kids have a huge playroom, a trampoline, a swing set, and even a pool. They love it. They get along with Jasmine's kids, and my daughter even has a big sister now. But the problem? Deshaun saw the setup and flipped. He says I'm subjecting my kids to poor living conditions. Because we share one bedroom, he says I need to find acceptable accommodation, or he'll go to court for full custody. It's temporary. We're saving for our own place. And honestly, Malik and Alia are happy, safe, and thriving. So, Aida, for sharing a room while we figure things out.